so my name is Chris Asia. Today I'm gonna make a little kid disappear. So your name is Tommy, right? Tommy, where are you from, Tommy? Okay, so I want you to get under this blanket, and when I say 3, you're gonna duck down, okay? And you're gonna lay down on the ground, okay? So, see, Tommy's still here, right? Ready? But okay, now 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Okay, now when you're laying down, I want you to just be calm and try not to breathe. Try to hold your breath. Okay? You got it? Okay? And
that was mind free.
Just this world.